This wonderful condo is well kept and clean. Located in the very nice Sleepy Hollow neighborhood. Mundy Township taxes, Grand Blanc Schools. Monthly condo association fee takes care of all exterior maintenance, including lawn care and snow removal, and sewer and water usage. All bedrooms and the laundry room are on the second floor with 2 bedrooms featuring walk-in closets, and the master bedroom has an ensuite bath. Behind the condo is undeveloped land, so you can relax in nature on the deck. The basement has daylight egress window, just waiting to be finished however you like. Welcome home.